So we've just reached from the airport. It's about a 2-hour delay because of we've lost our baggage. Have a good night. It's about 1:30 in the morning. Gonna sort things out, have some shower, pack up for the next day before getting to Pokhara. Got some cakes, croissants, pastries, and some Indian food as well, and some fruits. So just got my breakfast puri, got some croissant, western food, and some upumas, idli. Here we got some puri, omelets. What have you got, Vishali?
We got puri and some potatoes.
And what we're going to do is travel to Pokhara using the jeep. It's going to take what, 6 hours to 8 hours ride. So still waiting for my mother to finish up for packing and stuff. And at the back here is my aunt. She's also ready, just waiting for mom to finish up with the packing. So it's been like 1 hour and got no calls from her yet.
One eternity later.
And we'll see how it goes. But we've got a good view here. Let's see. You can see this. So we'll be traveling to Pokhara today. The journey is going to take about 6 to 8 hours. Really depends on the traffic. So the plan is to get some sightseeing in Pokhara. Probably stop by halfway and explore the towns nearby. The driver has arrived and we're going to meet him. Yeah, as usual, we're always 2 hours late. Mother has some business to do.
This is Kathmandu, yes. That is no airport, yes. Yeah, after 14 days, there has been crash helicopter.
Right.
You have listened or not?
Oh yeah.
5% have been dead.
5%, yeah.
Because from here, people will travel.
But there's a cable car?
Yes, we will go by cable car.
Halfway through our journey, the wind still strong, but there's a landslide out there. We're just waiting, right, clearing off the landslide. So it's normal to have landslide during monsoon season in Nepal. It's something to be wary of when you're traveling during the monsoon period. The landslides are more frequent due to heavy rainfalls and also because of pre-loosened soil as a result of frequent earthquakes. We just reached Pokhara, just got into the room. First time seeing this beautiful city. At the back of us, sorry, this is just the front of the hotel. Backdrop of a mountain, the beautiful buildings around, colorful and vibrant buildings around with different shapes and sizes. This is our room and this is at the back. So this is the back of the hotel, and as you can see there's like a park at the back here. It's a fun fair. So you got a lake here as well, and you see people are enjoying the rides there, screaming. It's like a merry-go-round and stuff. Pretty cool. I'm gonna check it out later. Just going out to stroll around the city and explore Pokhara, what it has to offer around the town. Apparently there's like a lake behind. We're just gonna explore the lake. Got some biryani. What do you ordered, Pinny?
Punjabi chole gulcha.
Shali ordered some mushroom fried rice and some thali meals as well. Morning, we are now at day 3. We just had a good sleep from yesterday. Apparently my sister's having diarrhea, so she might not be coming today for our trip, but we'll see how it goes. But we've got a nice view at the back. here. You can see the clouds by the mountains. You can see some fun fair going around. Usually it starts at night. And so just having breakfast. We got some kumar here. He's having a bit of kumar and some gravy as well. Taking a boat ride up to the temple right there.
Let's be there. No cap.
Just reached one of the temples on top of one of the hill ranges. This Shiva statue here. Right, I've just seen the temples, the two temples around. It's the Shiva temple and also Saraswati temple at the back. So it's just going back to our car and probably to the next spot. Right, currently I'm at Nepal's famous temple. It's called Gupteshwar Temple. Really good for a spiritual retreat. So we just finished our prayer at Gupteshwar Temple. Really good and calm place. And just to experience the Nepalese culture and the Hindu culture as well. And got shops to walk out. We are now at Devi's Fall, one of the tourist attractions famous in Pokhara. I was reading the board right there. It says that in 1961 there was a couple from Switzerland came in. They took a bath at one of the river down there. They were swept away. Eventually she died. They named the waterfall after her. She's got to the mountain museum. This museum is for those who have dedicated their lives climbing up the mountains. Sort of a tribute and also some knowledge about mountaineering. The Lake Paver, the evening aarti draws people of all ages and backgrounds. As the prayer unfolds, bhajans, known as devotional songs, fill the air. These songs are more than just melodies, they are spiritual expressions, a way to communicate with the divine. The joy in the faces of those singing and dancing reflects the power of community, faith, and a universal message of love that transcends language and religion. We're gonna go to the Australian base camp to have a hike there. We'll come at 5 in the morning today actually to get to the base camp, but rather it was raining. Postponed our trip about 2 to 3 hours later. Leaving at 8 right now to get to base camp. I'm waiting for the driver at the moment. Hiking up the Australian base camp. Yes, we're another 20 minutes away from that. On our way up the mountains, halfway there to the Australian base camp. Really good scenery around up the mountains. Tracks not too bad so far. Doable. What about you? What do you say?
Yes,
so far?
it's good. Very clean and very nice, and the trees are beautiful. You can see the hills, villages on top of the hills, so beautiful. It's good experience. It's nice.
Great.
Hiking in Nepal. This guy is actually 2 years he was worked in Malaysia. He can speak Malay also. The guy, he set up after whatever he earned 2 years.
Wow.
He set up a place to sell all the handicraft, helping all the ladies.
So it's the top of the mountain of the Australian base camp, but unfortunately surrounded by clouds at this time. Made it at last.
Yeah.
We just reached one of the hotels in Bandipur. The ride from Pokhara is about 2 hours from Pokhara. This hotel is right on top of the hill, and Bandipur is basically a village on top of the hills as well. This is the area outside. You can see the villages at the back. So Naveen Bhai is from Gorkha village. Now we are in Bandipur.
No, this.
Driving for 7 years.
Yes.
7 years and really good, friendly as well. And I've reached the top of one of the village. A mini village up here, organized, really clean as well.
Return back and we'll go.
Going through an area called Tanimai, basically a hilltop where I could get a view of the whole valley up the mountains. It's the Great Wall connecting Nepal to China. Bandipur wasn't even in our trip itinerary, as we were supposed to get to a place called Gandruk, but because the roads were closed due to landslides, we had to pick a place on the way back from Pokhara to Kathmandu. So yep, we decided to get to this village and I'm glad we did. So we are leaving Bandipur today, and just before we leave, got up to one of the fields up here. You can see people playing football and stuff, doing all the activities right here in the morning. Going back from the village to Pokhara takes another 6-7 hours, so what better way to enjoy the roller coaster ride other than having the Nepalese music playing in the background to give the journey a vibe, and also I guess the pumpy beats helps Naveen to stay awake. I got back from Bandipur to Kathmandu, got back to the same hotel. A different room but similar kind of style. Priya, how's the ride from Bandipur to...
Bandipur to Nepal, okay. Better than the first day.
Better from Kathmandu to Pokhara.
Kathmandu to Pokhara.
We're getting into the Darbar Square, back the entrance right here. Just got our ticket. And apparently it falls on a day where we do this festival or to step past on. I'm here with, what's your name?
Rizul.
Rizul. Rizul is teaching me how to play, what do you call this?
Kentangisi.
Kentangesi. And Rizul, how old are you?
I am 11 years.
And what do you want to become?
I want to be army.
You want to be in the army? Very good. You have to eat a lot. That's good. And you want to play football like Messi?
Yeah.
Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo?
Messi.
Messi. Alright. We got a Messi fan right here. So Rizul is showing me the Gayatra festival. The Gayatra festival are mainly celebrated by the Newari people in Kathmandu Valley. I was lucky enough to witness this happen during my time there, thanks to brother Narendra. So we just reached our accommodations in Nagarkot. There's this hotel called Chowtari Hotel. Still being built. This is a new hotel. Sorry, a new building. They've got an old building as well. Right there. And yeah, they're shifting to a new building. Still being under construction. Apparently there's some room. So we just got to our hotel. This is the room inside. Decent size. Yeah, hilltop view. Yeah, with Narendra. This trip wouldn't have been eventful without him. Thank you so much for bringing us around and taking your leave and showing us your place. Really means something to us. What temple is this?
This is Bauddhanath.
This is Bauddhanath temple.
Bauddhanath. Stupa it is. We don't call it temple.
Oh yeah,
It's a stupa.
Stupa. Yeah. So it's Buddhist. Buddhist
temple,
Buddhist, Buddhist stupa. back of me is Swayambhunath Stupa, the famous stupas in Nepal, right here. And overlooking that is the city itself. Top. Nepal is a country of immense cultural diversity, and nowhere is that more beautifully expressed than through its traditional dances. Tonight at Bojangriha, I was fortunate to witness the rich tapestry of Nepal heritage unfold before my eyes. Each dance tells a story passed down through generations, reflecting the unique traditions of the many ethnic groups that make up this incredible country. Nestled on the banks of sacred Bhagirathi River, Pashupatinath Temple stands as a testament to Nepal's deep spiritual heritage. This revered temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is one of the oldest and most significant Hindu shrines in the world, drawing pilgrims and travelers from across the globe. Pashupatinath isn't just a place of worship, it's a sacred space where life and death are honored in the cycle of existence. Here, rituals are performed daily, immersing the temple in prayers, chants, and the scents of incense, as priests offer blessings and devotees seek divine guidance. As the journey through Nepal comes to an end, I'm filled with gratitude. Traveling through these villages and cities, from the vibrant streets of Kathmandu to the peaceful hills of Bandipur, the people of Nepal, your warmth, your hospitality, and your smiles have touched my heart. You welcome me into your homes, your traditions, and your way of life, and for that I'm deeply thankful. This trip has given me a new perspective of Nepal, a place not just for breathtaking landscapes, but incredible culture, kindness, and resilience. From the spirituality of the temples to the simple joys in the everyday lives of those I met. Each experience has been a reminder of how deeply connected we all are, no matter where we come from. I'm also forever grateful to my family for their unwavering support and encouragement in everything I do. And to Narendra and Naveen, you are more than just companions on this trip, you are like brothers. Without you, this journey wouldn't have been possible. Your friendship, laughter, and guidance made every moment unforgettable. As I leave this beautiful country, I take with me not just memories, but lessons and a renewed sense of wonder. Nepal has changed me in ways I didn't expect, and for that I'm eternally grateful for it.